Hello everybody, I'm Marco from HPC Italy and I'm going to show what kind of information is possible to extrapolate from this aerial photo. We can observe two different types of roof covering, so two samples will be taken to verify the presence of possible asbestos. It is possible to detect the presence of chimney, elevator shafts and other useful information to verify the possible presence of asbestos. In the north of the site, despite the presence of vegetation, it has been possible to assess the absence of material or waste. It is also possible to identify spaces and accesses for any future works. A very important aspect for safety is that it has been possible to find all this information and identify any critical issue before entering the site. Thank you for watching.